The claim that shut down a business. 1 accident, 2 weeks down, 3 missed contracts. A trucking company called us after a minor accident. The truck was insured, the repairs were covered, but something no one talked about nearly shut them down. Downtime. While the truck sat in the shop for 2 weeks, the owner couldn't haul loads. No deliveries, no invoices, no income. Meanwhile, the bills kept coming. Driver pay, truck payments, insurance premiums, fuel cards, dispatch costs, and the painful truth? Their policy didn't include downtime or rental reimbursement. So while the truck was being repaired, the owner lost thousands every week. The truck was insured. The income was not. Most owners assume a commercial auto policy protects the operation. In reality, many policies cover the vehicle, not the lost revenue off the road. If your truck, van, or fleet vehicle goes down tomorrow, ask yourself, could your business survive 2 weeks with zero revenue from that vehicle? If you operate in FL, TX, NC, GA, AZ, VA, CA, ME, MI, NJ, send us a message or comment, Downtime. We'll show you how to protect the income your vehicles generate. Because protecting the truck is important, but protecting the business behind it is everything.